One of the challenges associated with 5G is we need to really look at 5G not as a CapEx spend, but as an OpEx spend. And knowing that one of the challenges associated with OpEx is really looking at not just material costs, but the labor challenges associated with putting this into place. You know, with up to 80% of the cost of deployment being labor, we need to look at craft-friendly orientations and the ability to connectorize in the factories and really take out splicing and skill from the access network and keep it into the transport layer as much as we can.
So network densification is an interesting topic. The first thing people think about with network densification is fiber costs. And of course there is cost to the fiber. But the interesting thing about it for me is that if you speak to a carrier, the most expensive thing they have is spectrum. They have to go to the FCC and it's auctioned off and it goes to the highest bidder. So believe it or not, the cost of the fiber is, and even the deployment of the fiber, which is more than the fiber itself, is still less than the spectrum.
The topic itself suggests that there's a lot of discussion that needs to happen, and I think there's not a better group to put around a table than those who are actually in the fiber business or in the service business across fiber infrastructure. Again, as I mentioned earlier, it all starts with fiber. And so I'm sure we each have an opinion, but I also know that a successful deployment of 5G will include partnerships. It will include all of us working together. We each have our own strategy around how and why and when on a fiber build, but when you talk about next generation technologies and the fact that it can and will affect the entire population in a very positive way, it will require that we all work together in order to map this the right way so that everyone does benefit the way that we expect.